Greetings everyone. In today's video, I will show you how to connect Messenger to Instagram. Before you get started, please subscribe to the channel. So first of all, open up Messenger app, then go to menu. After that, tap at the gear to open up settings. Then go to very bottom and tap at see more in account center. After that, go to profile, select your Facebook profile, then down below, tap at your profile again, and then all we have to do is just turn on the option which is called sync profile info. If we tap on it, it will be able to choose with which exact Instagram account you would like to connect with your Facebook account. If you go to multiple accounts in your account center, obviously I am just going to choose that one, and then if I tap at continue, it will show me both of account I want to connect. Then we can tap at seeing profile info of connect Facebook Messenger or just Facebook account to Instagram account. As you can see, both of the accounts are now connected into one profile. So by this way you can connect Messenger to Instagram. This is the video for today. Thanks for watching this.